Now let us try to go and add the pagination to our get all the countries over here. So for that, we'll go to the interface and let's go to the schemas first of all, and let's try to add the one more schema that will be of the class, and we'll call this one as the pagination meta over here, and then the import extend from the base model, and we'll add the total and then the total page, I guess, so total underscore the pages over here, and then we'll add the page size as well as the current page over here. Current page size should be of the skip over here, skip, and then the current page, or else let's just go and make it as the page size and then the current page over here. And for the list of the countries that we are returning, so let's just go and say the meta, and for this one we'll just go and add the pagination meta over here. Now we'll go back to the API, and here we need to add that particular meta over here, and currently we don't have those information, so we need to return it from here. And we also need to take the input over here, which is of the page, right? So let's say a page, or we'll say the skip skip, and this is the type of the int, and then the limit, which is also type is of the int as well. And now we need to pass it to get all the countries, that one, but currently it doesn't accept that. So let's just go back to the application interface over here, and let's go and add that one over here, skip skip, which is of the type is of the int, and limit, which is also type is of the int as well. And now we can go and provide that to our repository over here, and we'll accept that the skip and then the int skip and then the limit as well. And from the country repository we have to accept that in our function, as well as we need to pass it as the argument in the get all countries over here, accept as the parameter, and provide that to get all countries in the repository as the argument over here. And now once we have that, let's just go back over here, and we can add the offset over here, and then the offset is the skip, and then we need to provide the limit. So offset always start with the 0, and limit is the number of the record that we want to return for that particular offset. So let's say offset of a 0 and then the limit of the 20. And since we have the offset is always starting with the 0, we need to go back over here, and for the skip, if the front end pass in the page of the 1, we need to say that we have to subtract it by the 1. That's because we need our default of the 0 over. It's always going to take the 0 as the offset over here, always starts with the 0. And once we have this particular information, the next thing that we have to do over here is we need to grab the metadata, and for that let's just go back over here, and let's just go and count the first of the count all the RECOR, the record by the ID over here, and that will be of the total, and that will be of equals to we have the self dot the session over here, and in the self dot session we need to write the query over here, and in the query we'll import the function over here, fun, I guess a function from the SQLAlchemy over here, and we can make use of the count over here. And count, we have to pass in the model, which is of the country model, by the ID, and just return us this dot the scalar, or return us the 0 by default over here. So that's it, return us the type of the total, right? And compute the total number of the country model record in the database for the page. And once we have the total, now the next thing is that we need to count the total pages over here, and then the total pages will be of the total pages math. We need to import the math module over here, math.the total divide by the limit. So if the limit is of the 5, and that should go and divide the total. Let's say 20 divided by the 5 should give us the 4, right? And then we also add the if condition if the limit is greater than the 0. Let's say if the limit is greater than 0, otherwise we will just go and return the pages as the default of the page 1 over here. Now since we have the total and then total pages, we'll also return that one from here, the total and then the total pages from here. And now we need to change the return type to be of the tuple as well over here. Tuple, this is going to return us the list of the countries and then the total and then the total pages over here. Now since that's returning this one, we need to also update our interface over here, right? It's also going to return us the tuple, and from here in the service we also need to return the tuple over here as well. And now let's go back to the API. We can grab that particular information which is of the total as well as the total, the pages that we are returning over here. And if we have this two information, now we can go and set the meta over here, which will be type of the pagination meta. So let's just go and import that one over here. And now the total will be of the total pages will be of the total pages, page size will be of the limit that we are passing in, and then the current page will be of the skip. So let's say we pass in the page 1 limit of the 5, and that's what it's going to return. And here it's going to return us the meta as well. Let's just go and clear it out, this one over here. And then now let's go back to our API endpoint and let's just go and refresh, and let's just see now we need to pass in the skip and then the limit over here. The skip will be of the page 1 and then the limit of the number of the record is of the 5. Let's just go and execute this one and we should see that one over here. So let's just go and take a look over here. Now we should see a 5 record which is of the 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as the 5 record, and then the meta information total record is of the 8, the total page is of the 2, the page size is of the 5, and then the current page is of the 1 over here. And then the total page, so we currently have only 2 pages that we can actually go and return. So let's just go and say we want to return a page of the 2 over here, and let's just go and execute this one over here. So we got the second page, so current page is of the second page, and then the total page and then the current page is matching. So now we can, in the front end, we should always go and see this particular validation, total page and then the current page. And if we go and pass in the 0, so let's just go and see, if we pass in the 0, what's going to happen over here is going to give us an error. So the validation here is actually not actually working, right? That's what we are actually skipping, minus the 1. So we can actually validate, and if the skip is always we should always validate the skip, it always should be of the 1 over here. And to fix this one, what we can do over here is let's just go and make use of the ANNO annotate from, let's just go and import the annotate from the typing, and here we'll provide the type is of the int that we actually want over here, and we'll add the query from the FastAPI, and with this query we will pass in the value of the greater than equals to, actually, which should be of the 1. So that should be greater than equals to of the 1, and then the description we are going to provide, and we'll say that the description maybe a page number should be a greater than or equals to 1 over here, right? Or else the default value we will provide as the 1 over here, and we'll do the same thing for the limit annotated of the 1, and then we are going to say the type is return type is of the int query, and I'll just go and say greater than 1 as well. So let's say greater than or equals to the 1, so it should always be greater than equals to of the 1. Description page size should be greater right? So it should be of the same as this one, greater than or equals to of the 1 over here as well over here. And it requires the default value, so let's just go and remove the default value over here. So let's just go and say I don't want to have a default value, so that should be good enough. And now if I go back to our API and let's try to refresh this one, and here you should see that the page number, the description should be always equal to the one, minimum is 1 over here. If I provide the 0 and limit of the 5 over here, if I try to execute this one, you'll see that the skip value must be greater than or equal to of the 1. So there is a validation done for us. That's a good thing. So now we are unable to provide the 0. We should always provide the 1 over here, and that should go and execute the query. So some of the default fix that we got, small fix that we can apply over here, just to make sure that we provide the value which is of the greater than or equals to of the 1 over here. And that's the simple fix. So I guess that's all for adding the pagination over here. It may be quite lengthy, but let's just go and add the comment. So create the pagination meta over here as well. And I guess let's try to go and format this particular code, and that should be good enough over. And I hope you got the idea how we can add the pagination over here. Quite simple over here. We just added some of the response type over here and fixed the query over here, as well as we added the different return type over here, which is of the tuple, which can return a multiple type of the data. Okay, there is a list, integer and integer as well. Just play around with it and you should be good to go. So that's all over here.